back to my channel Glossip. So if you're new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. So guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm not going to make a vlog or something. I'm just going to unbox for you. So as you can see that I'm in my bedroom, and if you want a tour of my room, let me know in the comment section. So here's a scratch note. I bought it from Bacha Party in 175 rupees. Let's get started. So here's the outer look. So here's the pen, wooden pen. So here I am writing on it, and the bright and beautiful colors are coming out. Wow. It's amazing. It's just like magic, huh? So you have to scratch it and then the bright colors come out from. There are a lot of colors. It's like a rainbow. Rainbow book. So here I'm done with the party wrap. I will write I love Islam. I love Islam. And Allah is one. Now I'm going to color it from up. Let's do coloring. Wow, it's awesome. I love it. So you can make anything over here, like star, moon, flowers, every shape you like. So now let's make a rainbow. Yeah, it's really beautiful because all the colors are rainbow, and the rainbow is a perfect match. So this page I have filled. So this is my little brother's drawing. He made the Khana Kaaba and write Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's name. Over here there are some Allah's name, mashallah. So beautiful. So guys, I hope you like my today's video. So if you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.